Step into the heart of Abu Dhabi and discover the stunning beauty of Zayed the First Street in glorious 4K resolution. Immerse yourself in a vibrant cityscape where bustling streets pulse with energy and iconic landmarks stand tall against the skyline. Join us on a visual journey that captures every intricate detail in stunning Ultra HD quality. Experience the magic of these iconic streets like never before. Feel the lively atmosphere, hear the sounds of the city, and let the sights mesmerize you. Join us in exploring this incredible destination and prepare for a breathtaking travel experience. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the stunning visuals as we dive into the heart of Abu Dhabi. Whether it's the sleek glass towers or the rich cultural history, this city has something for everyone. Join me on this incredible adventure. Zayed the First Street, known as one of the busiest areas in the capital, Electra Street, Abu Dhabi never sleeps. Besides various retail shops and offices, the street is dotted by residential buildings offering a range of apartments and hotel suites. Those who prefer apartment living in a bustling district can rent a flat on Electra Street.